The state government wants to close a legal loophole which it says allows drive-by shooters to get away with light sentences. The change was proposed by police, who've noticed a significant increase in street shootings. State political reporter Nick Harmson.
It's become an all too common occurrence in Adelaide.
Is there an increase in drive-by shootings? Because
certainly.
So that's certainly increased?
Yes, absolutely.
Now the state's top cop has had enough, urging tougher penalties for drive-by shooters.
And it's certainly a reckless act to be firing bullets through a house, whether people are there or not. And so that should be regarded as a serious crime.
The Commissioner's comments upstage the Attorney-General, who's hoping to make that very change when he unveils new gun laws within weeks.
Clearly, if you're firing a firearm at a house or at a car or at a caravan, you don't need to have a huge imagination to realise there's a prospect of somebody being injured.
He says the new law will bridge the gap between attempted murder and discharging a firearm in a public place, which attracts a far smaller sentence. The Attorney-General says the penalties for the new offence will be substantial, but he won't reveal what they are until he's had the chance to brief State Cabinet. The opposition's talking tough.
We've had 2,300 new offences under the Labor government, but do South Australians feel any safer?
Nevertheless, it is likely to support this new offence.
We've been calling for it for months. We're going to look at it very positively.
It's a sign the major parties are starting to find some common ground on crime. At loggerheads for months, both parties have now compromised on a series of crime bills.
The government has now accepted more than 50 amendments to that suite of bills.
I've accepted minor tinkering in order to get it through because they had to, I guess, have a fig leaf they could wear away from the negotiations.
But both sides remain at odds over a bill aimed at confiscating the assets of drug dealers. Nick Harmson, ABC News, Adelaide.